Okay, back again now to talk about fertilization and feeding this Bluemuda. What exactly am I going to be doing? Well, one thing is, before I put anything down, the dog's going inside. She's barking at the rabbits or a neighbor right now. But what I have is I have some, bam, X-Start right there. I put about 1/3 of a bag down, so it's somewhere between 1/4 pound and a 1/2 pound N. Also the sprayer, she is charging up right now, getting some extra battery juice. And with the sprayer, we're going to be applying some Depth 10 Plus. Got this right here. I'm putting down a total of 150 milliliters. That'll put me at just under 1.5 ounces per 1,000 square feet back here, and I'm going to be doing that application bi-weekly. The order of operations will be 1, X-Start goes down first, the granular, that needs to be watered in with at least 0.2 inches of water. You'll get a little bit of that from the Depth 10 Plus. That will be applied second with the boom sprayer. And then I'm hit or miss yet. We are supposed to kind of maybe sort of, who knows, get some rain today. And I don't want to oversaturate anything, but I may be putting some tournament ready down as well to go and help with the seeding. Okay, so we have the Fert down, the X-Start, we have the Depth 10 Plus down. Now we need to water it in. I was going to possibly look at entertaining the idea of using some tournament ready right now. However, not going to do that. We have some rain hopefully moving in later this evening. And the seed coating, you do know I use coated seed, right? Because you watched the previous video. That'll help retain a little bit of moisture. So I'm not worried about that. What I have here in my irrigation though is we're gonna flip this one valve here. If I turn it the right way, and I have a single Hunter PGP, that's the big one I believe. That's located back kind of right where the rocks start. I also have 3 PGJs. So one at the corner near the palm tree, other opposite corner, another here. Those cover this zone here. I have another PGP there. That goes and follows in front of the shed and arcs its way back around all the way back to that corner there. Have another PGP right there next to the garden gate. That goes up again and it arcs around this way and ends over at that head. Let's move out of the way before we get sprayed. Then I have a single PGJ. I need to run a hose around to it. But that's right there at the pool. That covers from the patio up until that head there, which is a spray. That's just the 4-inch spray. And I have 3 of them here in one zone. Then I have 3 more along the perimeter in one zone. And that's what I'm doing for the irrigation to water things in. Nothing's on a timer right now. I do have a 4-zone timer, and I have a 2-zone timer as well, but I think I have too many zones, and I haven't figured out what I'm doing behind the shed to irrigate that yet. But in all due time. So that's what I'm doing with my fertilization on the Bluemuda to get it established, using the depth 10 plus at 1.5 ounces per 1,000 square feet on a bi-weekly basis up through 6 weeks, or up through 6 applications. So I also did like 1/3 of a bag of X-Start, around 16 pounds or so, and spread that out. I will do another application of that in 3 to 4 weeks, and then I'm saving the rest of it for possibly the front yard. I think I might have to add a little bit more seed. The weather still hasn't been fully cooperative. It is looking better and filling in and thickening up, and I am seeing new tillers. However, there's a lot of area, and it'd be hard pressed for it to get finished and filled in by fall or by winter. There it is. We had our Bluemuda scalping, our Bluemuda seeding, and our Bluemuda secret sauce. That's it. That's all I did. Now it's just kind of sit back, relax, take it easy, and worry about torrential downpours washing seed away, possible fungus issues, even though the seed was coated and has the fungicide, birds eating the seed. There's just a lot of stuff to worry about now. So yay me. We'll of course keep checking in on this and how it goes. There will be that sprout and pout phase, and I'm interested to compare how it filled in, or how it will fill in this year versus how it filled in last year, because it didn't look too hot until about January, and then it just started looking really, really good, better and better every week, all the way through May. Cool, so that's it. It's Mike, Real Low Dad. Bluemuda is done. We'll see you with the next thing. I have no idea what it is yet.